Hey everyone, I'm Brielle with Seibert Solutions, and today we have Marlene here with codefortynine, and we're going to be talking about quick filters for Jira Dashboards. So I'd love to pass that over to you and kind of get some context on your app.
Yeah, so hello, I'm very happy to be here. I'm from codefortynine, based in Germany, and we're a Platinum Marketplace partner. And today I want to tell a bit about a quick filter for Jira Dashboards. It's a cloud for Jira. It's a cloud app for Jira, and as the name says, it's a dashboard app. And this app is actually very suitable for a lot of teams. For example, team leads or department leads that want to have an overview about several projects on one dashboard. Or, for example, for dev teams who actually want to monitor their team health and the workload of the team, or for Jira administrators who actually want to reduce the number of dashboards and don't want to have a Jira instance with thousands of dashboards, but just some dashboards that are suitable for several users. Yeah.
Yeah, that makes sense. Do you personally have any favorite features?
So yes, I think it's with this dashboard, it's pretty obvious. It's the quick controller gadget. I think this is here. This is the core of the app. So this app actually, once you've installed it, you have a list of gadgets you can add to your dashboard, and you can actually use this controller gadget to filter the rest, all the other gadgets on your dashboard dynamically. So, for example, the example I mentioned if you are a department lead and you have teams that work in 5 different Jira projects, you could actually add a drop-down to this controller and filter it per project. But you could also say, okay, now I want to focus on the bugs. I don't want to look at the other tasks, so I just show bugs on this dashboard. It's also, many of our users filter it per epics, for example, that you can only show, okay, I just want to have an overview of what happens in this specific epic, for example, or the sprint, depending on what you work with. And internally at codefortynine, we're actually using this app very heavily, also for support. Our dev team is usually using it for the alerts. We're also tracking our alerts in Jira, and we use this app very heavily. Of course, because of the quick controller gadget. So this is pretty, you could actually filter for any Jira field that's possible. But the other big feature is the aggregating of the number fields. As you see here, I think maybe many users know the issue statistic gadget. So this is a Jira standard gadget, but this gadget is from us. So you cannot just sum up an issue count, but also, for example, here we are summing up story points, but you can sum up any number field. We have, for example, here you have more examples. So this is summing up the issue count, the story points. Let's see, I switched to another dashboard now. We have more. See if this shows it.
And so that's all customizable?
It's all customizable, yeah.
Very cool.
Here we have, here you can see, now you can also, for example, sum up the time fields. If you want to know, okay, you can see here we're filtering per sprint, and you want to have the workload in a specific sprint, you could just use the filter And we also have some advanced gadgets that are not available for standard gadgets. Usually we offer similar gadgets like the standard gadgets, but in an advanced way, so that the onboarding is pretty easy for the users. But here, for example, we also offer a bar chart gadget that is not available for the standard Jira instances. And what also is cool for this from this app is that you can that it's very easy to set up. So you don't need you can set up everything on this dashboard. If I go to edit mode, all the configuration, for example, for the quick controller happens here. So you don't need a separate configuration page. Any user can use it. It's very easy to onboard because the configuration of the gadgets, it's pretty simple. You can, so it's, if you know how to work with the gadgets already, then you also know how to work with our app. Yeah.
Oh, that's fascinating. No, I definitely can see how that makes it handy to have the configuration just right there ready to go. Oh, awesome. This was amazing. Thank you so much for taking the time to show us. And we'll send a link in case people want a demo to do a little deeper dive. But
yeah, we're very happy about any feedback from our customers, any questions. Yeah, just reach out to our support, and we're happy to help.
Awesome. Yeah. Well, thank you so much for being here. It's great meeting you.
Thank you. Bye.